Good afternoon, my dear student. Today the same unit, fundamental concept, exercise 1. I continue the exercise. In before classes, you study the basic thing and the exercise will be started. So 1 to 4 sums will be finished in before class. Now I go for the fifth sum. Identify the like terms from each of the following set. Already know the like terms. Like term means the variables are same, means the terms is called like terms. Otherwise called it is unlike terms. So first sum, 5xy square 0.2xy square x square y xy the whole square. Don't bother about the number, that means coefficient will be not to bother anything, only you will consider the variable xy square xy square x square y xy square. So you will find the like term only. So first term having the x will be 1 power, y having power 2. The next one x power 1, y power 2. The next one x power 2, y power 1. This is different of these two terms because these two terms are like term, but this one is not like for this term. And last one x and y the whole square means both x and y having the power 2. But this is not equal to this term because this having the first and second term having the x power is 1 same, y square is same. So the like terms are 5xy square and 0.2xy square. Like this you do the remaining sums. The sixth sum, identify the polynomial. Also write the degree of each polynomial. First of all, you will identify the numbers are polynomial, and then that polynomial is having some degree. You find the degree. Okay, 8x square minus x cube plus 2 by 3x. This is a polynomial, means yes, it is a polynomial because variables is there and the coefficients is there with the plus and minus sign having that because it varying the terms. So this is called polynomial. So yes, it is a polynomial of degree 3 because the variable having x is the variable of this polynomial. So this x having the power 2, this having 3, this having 1. So which is the highest power, means 3 is the highest power. So yes, it is a polynomial of degree 3. Second subdivision, 7y cube plus 5y minus 1 by 2y minus 6. But this one is not a polynomial because y is the variable of this polynomial, but this one is not polynomial because of the variable in the denominator. Number in denominator means no problem, but variable in the denominator means it come to the numerator, the power will be negative. So no other negative power will be except for the polynomial. Polynomial power only the positive. So no the negative negative power will be the polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. So no, it is not a polynomial. So this is a model of this sixth sum. So remaining two sum you take it as a homework. Do the sum, children. The next unit is fundamental operations. In this fundamental concept, you know the concepts. What are the polynomial, variable, degree of polynomial, like term, unlike term, everything you study in the fundamental concept. Fundamental operation means using the operation, basic operation, plus, minus, mainly addition and subtraction is used for the fundamental operation. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division already it will be taken for the arranging of the number in polynomial. Okay, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, addition of like terms. So to add like terms, after add their numerical coefficient. So you will add the number, add the terms means only the like terms are added with their numerical coefficient. Only the numbers are added for the like term. Like term means variables are same, means that one is called like term. That variables are same means the coefficient, that meant numerically some number is there. That number only added for the addition of like terms. Suppose addition of unlike term means to add unlike term, write an algebraic expression with all the terms along with their sign. For example, sum of 6x and minus 9y. These two are unlike term because this variable is x, this variable is y. This is unlike term, but you will add it means how to write means with respect to the sign 6x plus minus 9y plus into minus minus. So answer is 6x minus 9y. Like this you will add the unlike term. Addition of algebraic expression means use the horizontal method of addition, that one. So this is the method, horizontal method only used for the adding. It's a simple method. So horizontally you will add, you do in the sum, you will see that. So alternate method is called column method of addition. This one also very easy one. So like terms are added. Like terms will be arranged in the column wise and then add. You seen in the exercise. Next one, negative of an algebraic expression. Negative of an algebraic expression means one number is plus means you will change the number minus. Suppose the number is minus means you change it to plus. That one is negative of an algebraic expression. You changing the sign, plus means you change it to minus, as minus sign means you change it to positive sign. The next one, subtraction of algebraic expression. It's also the same only. The subtraction, to subtract an algebraic expression from another, add the negative of the first expression to the second expression. So first expression not to change anything. Second expression, every sign will be changed for the opposite sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus, because subtraction of the algebraic expression. This also horizontal method of subtraction will be takes place, and the alternate method is column wise you will subtract the sum. So one sum I will do in the exercise. So exercise 2a, first sum, fourth subdivision, 3a square b power 4 minus 2a square b square, 5a square b square, 12a square b power 4, 3a square b square and 5a square b power 4. So you will add this everything. So only like terms are added. So first of all you will consider the like term. I underline downward of the sum means that one is called the same variable. And at top of the number I will underline the number means that numbers are same variable. For example, a square b power 4, but this one is a square b square. So these two are not like term. And you will tell for 12 a square b square is like term for 3a square b square. So I underline in downward. And next one is last one, 5a square b power 4. This one is like term. So these three are like terms. So I will take only the coefficient, that means numerical coefficient. 3 plus 12 plus 5 a square b power 4. The next like terms are a square b square. So all the a square b square I take minus 2 plus 5 plus 3. So with the sign you will take for the addition. 3 plus 12 plus 5 I get 20 a square b power 4. Minus 2 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 2 6. So 6 a square b square. But these two are unlike term, not to add anything. But you put the plus sign for these two number means this one is added for the variable. So this is today class student. Everyone do this first sum and remaining you take as a homework. You will you will learn the fundamental concept definition also. So thank you children to watching the video.